This Exedy Hyper Twin Series organic clutch kit with a 23 spline input is for 2011 to 2017 Mustang GT owners looking for a high-performance upgrade that can handle serious power while maintaining street drivability. If you have a supercharged, turbocharged, or a high horsepower setup, this clutch is designed to provide exceptional grip, durability, and smooth engagement without the harshness of a race-only clutch. This clutch kit is engineered for high torque applications, delivering enhanced power transfer and improved pedal feel compared to a single disc setup. The twin disc design allows for greater surface area and heat dissipation, reducing wear and increasing the lifespan of the clutch. The organic friction material provides a smooth yet firm engagement, making it a solid choice for street-driven performance builds, drag racing, and road course applications. This unit results in improved engine response and optimized airflow for clutch cooling. It also comes with a flywheel for the seamless installation, making things a little bit easier on you when you go to put it in. Exedy has designed this kit using premium materials for maximum durability. The twin disc setup utilizes organic friction materials for enhanced engagement and longevity, while the lightweight flywheel helps reduce rotational mass, improving throttle response. The precision machine pressure plate ensures a consistent performance under extreme conditions, making it a reliable choice for high horsepower applications. Now, as far as pricing goes on this kit, it's coming in right around the lower 800s price range, which is a solid price point for a full clutch kit that includes the flywheel, and it can give you improved engine response and clutch performance. Installation of this clutch kit requires advanced mechanical knowledge, so we're giving this a full 3 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can expect the install to take you at least 4 hours of your time. If you aren't comfortable with clutch work, it's recommended to have a qualified mechanic handle the installation to ensure proper alignment and functionality. Alright, that's going to wrap up my review of the Exedy Hyper Twin Series organic clutch kit with a 23 spline input for the 2011 to 2017 Mustang GTs. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.